Welcome to Ben's Ramblings, recipes, reviews, and ramblings. I've got another little rambling for you guys. Got some new products for the Blackstone. This is the third part of our Blackstone new products for 2021 series. You can see here Todd Toven is showing off one of the new products. This is the Blackstone Adventure Ready Serve and Store Prep Cart. It's a slick looking little portable kitchen. Weighs about 60 pounds. Todd Toven has a video. I will have the link to the video down below. It's this video you see on the screen here. Here it is folded up, and I'll show you some pictures that Todd posted. Looks like a nice little briefcase. Obviously bigger than briefcase, but and here's the box. And some other pictures somebody else posted that they must have found it in a store. Todd also posted a picture of this portable knife set. This looks like it's an Amazon exclusive. It's got a salt and pepper shaker, 2 prep knives, and a little silicone mat for cutting. But let's get back to that adventure ready serve and store cart. Here's Todd Toven's video. That's it. That's the box there. He's showing it next to his 28-inch air fryer model. Here it is before he unfolds it. He's comparing it here to a Cabela's camp kitchen. He says they're about the same size, but because the Cabela's comes in that big bag, it makes it very difficult to carry. The fact that it's much larger, it hangs lower. Let's jump ahead. So he's showing how much more difficult it is to carry compared to that. So they both weigh about 60 pounds, he said. So it's not light by any means. It is all steel, with the exception of shelves, which are fabric. And that's one concern I do have. Because I've seen similar fabric like this before, and I have some concerns. So it's got the main table. Here he's folding out the end table. You can see the legs unfold similar to a folding table. The little braces fold out and lock into place. And so here it is. This back wall, now that the cover is open, is a slat wall, and they've got some accessories for this. I'm going to show those off in a minute. Some come with it. It comes with 3 accessories, 3 accessory cups, and then 3 accessory hooks. So there's the cups. They've got covers, and they can go onto the slat wall wherever you want. And here are the hooks, and they can also go on wherever you'd like on the slat wall, and you can hang your tools up there. It's got a garbage bag holder on the side, which is a nice feature. And you've got the shelves underneath. I question the durability of the shelves. Fabric like that on an outdoor product, although this is not meant to be left outdoors, which we'll get to that in a minute, I don't find it durable. The sunlight gets to it. It starts to break down. You can put the Blackstone, obviously, on that side shelf, which is a little lower. It looks like it'll fit a 22, no problem. This is a single burner, 17. I don't know that you could put the 22... I don't definitely know that you can put the 22. I believe you can. And I don't know that you can put the 22 with the air fryer or the burner to the right of it. Those may be too big. But you could put it on the top, which looks like it's a regular countertop height. So it looks like a nice product. I do want to bring your attention, as I mentioned, this is meant as a portable, not a permanent setup. See if I can find it here. The Wall Twins, if you guys aren't watching the Wall Twins, great cooking videos on the Blackstone. They asked Todd, they mentioned to Todd, they say, we definitely can't wait to grab this and put it to use. And Todd replies, brothers, wait, there's more. This is the travel version, but I'm told there'll be a patio pro series for people to use in their backyards. That excites me. I'd love to see what the outdoor permanent version looks like. So no one's shown that off yet, but hopefully it's coming soon. Blackstone Betty also did a video the other day where she cooked some smash burgers, and you can see here, let me see, she just moved it, but you can see here she's got that in the background here as well. I have not found links to this product yet anywhere. However, it's not on Walmart.com yet. If I had to guess, I'd say it's $130 to $150. I could be totally wrong on that. This is just my guess. I really have no idea what the price point will be for the table with the 3 cups and the 3 hooks. Blackstone Betty then goes on to show off another product, which goes with it. And this product apparently has been in stores, and the table may have been in stores as well. And this is a 10-piece kit that includes additional cups and covers. as well as this main bucket to put everything in. I'm going to show some pictures of that. That is available on Walmart.com now. So let's take a look at Walmart.com. First, the Adventure Ready Stow and Go knife set, which Todd Toven showed on his Facebook page. Here you see it. You've got the mat, the roll, the 2 prep knives. Here's the 2 prep knives with their sheaths. Here's everything packaged up together, and there's the silicone cutting mat. If you notice on the right-hand side of this, the orange circle with the 2 little tabs, those are salt and pepper shakers. So it's got an integrated salt and pepper shaker. A little close-up of the knives here. And there you see is the cover lifted form, the salt and pepper shakers. And here you can see the P and the S for the salt and pepper shakers. There's the whole pack. Let's roll down. Comes with the silicone prep mat, the salt and pepper shaker, the large prep knife, small prep knife, and the silicone containment tube. Looks like a nice little product. Price point is not too bad for what I'm assuming are some pretty inexpensive knives. Don't know what kind of stainless steel. $30. I've set my location to Fort Lauderdale just to see if these are available in store down south, and it looks like they are. Let's look at the next product, which is this 10-piece storage tote, which I mentioned that Blackstone Betty showed off. You have this 10-piece storage tote. It comes in 1 large tote. It comes with 3 smaller cups again, which go on the slat wall system. You'll see here they're showing it on the Adventure Ready prep cart. Okay. There you go. There's your 3 different sizes with your covers. So I'm sorry, it comes with 4 containers. So it looks like 2 of the smaller, a medium, a little larger, and then the main container itself. There you see how everything nestles inside the main container. One thing that I think is pretty slick is that the lid for the main bucket is a serving tray. So a nice way to take all of your cooking, all your prep work out to your Blackstone and then be able to serve everything up in one shot. I think that's a nice little setup. You could store this whole bin if you have a spare fridge, a garage fridge, or anything like that. Put everything out in a garage fridge, have it ready to go. So this, again, nice product. Here's some more information. Tote and container, 10-piece set, durable design. Storage lid doubles as a serving tray. 3 smallest totes will hang on the Adventure Ready or Pro Series prep. So again, Todd Toven mentioned there was probably a Pro or a semi-permanent installation as opposed to a portable like the Adventure Ready, and it's mentioned here again, Pro Series prep, serve, and store carts. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Again, a nice looking product. I think this is very reasonable at $50 for 4 different prep containers, the bin, and the lid. I think that's a nice price point. In Blackstone Betty's video, she also shows this knife. Now, I'm not sure if this is new. I've never seen it before myself, but it is a 7-inch chef knife, German stainless steel, not sure what type. It comes with a sheath. Not a bad looking design with a rubber handle. $15. I'm sure it's not expensive steel, but something if you want to use it on the griddle to do hibachi type cooks, that kind of thing. You're not going to use your nice Westhoff or something like that, and your dowel strong and ruin the edge on it. You've got an inexpensive knife that you could use for that. But not a bad looking knife. About $15. I think this was released about the same time. There are unfortunately a whole bunch of products that are Walmart exclusives that you can't even find through the Walmart search on their website. Unless you know the exact name, it is very difficult to find these products on Walmart.com. So I will provide all these links down below. For example, if you search Walmart for Blackstone 10-piece storage tote, this link will not come up. I've got another product that I'm going to show off that somebody posted today on a Facebook Blackstone group. Again, if you do a search for this on Walmart.com, you will not find it. You have to search Google using the exact terms and Walmart. Blackstone stainless steel adjustable warming rack. A stainless steel rack, a lot of people will use something like this, which is, a traditional warming rack or a baking rack, that kind of thing. Here's a stainless steel warming rack. So you can see it's got silicone handles. Everything folds up relatively flat if you're not using it. It's expandable, so it goes from small to fitting almost a whole 36-inch, which is a nice design. Keep your bacon warm, your pancakes, that kind of thing, but not on the griddle. So also a nice design, not bad for $20. I think very reasonable for $20. Store away, retractable design, silicone handles protect your hands from heat. 16 by 8.5 it says here for the dimensions. And again, it looks like it'll expand. Let's confirm that was a 36-inch. I think this is a 36-inch. The picture doesn't show the whole thing, so it's tough to tell if that's a 28 or a 36. Let's see if they give the full overall expanded dimensions. I don't see them here. But again, a nice product. It looks like it's been out since November, and all these products I've shown you today, at least the 10-piece storage tote, the knives, the adventure ready knife set, all the products today seem like they've been out since November of this past year. You'll see there's some reviews from November, and I haven't seen anything older than that. But you'll see reviews November and December, obviously January of this year. The 10-piece storage tote has been out since then. The 7-inch knife, same thing. Reviews since December and November of last year. The Adventure Ready Stow and Go silicone knife roll, again, out since November of last year. There's some reviews, but they're the type of thing that if you don't see them in the store, you're not going to know they exist. Blackstone doesn't list them on their website. They're Walmart exclusives. Walmart doesn't even allow you to search for them. So, for example, if I do search for this product, Blackstone's 10-piece storage tote, and nothing. It does not come up in their search. But if you go to Google and type walmart.com space Blackstone 10-piece storage, one of the first things that comes up is the 10-piece storage tote all in one. So again, you need to know what these products are to find them on Walmart. You can get an in-stock alert so you know if it's available. I hope you guys like these videos. If you see a product that you've never seen anywhere, you can't find it on Walmart, or you haven't seen it on blackstoneproducts.com, please drop me a comment down below. Let me know about it, and I'll make another video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of more videos like this and my cooking videos. Thanks again. Have a good one.